In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show specific lists under Today in Ticktick. This feature is particularly useful if you're trying to streamline your daily tasks and only want to see certain lists. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to open Ticktick and navigate over to your Lists sidebar. This is where you can see all of the different lists you've created to organize your tasks. If you're on a mobile device, you may need to swipe to the left on the name of the list you're interested in to reveal some additional options. But if you're using the web version or the desktop app, a simple right-click will do the trick. Alternatively, you might find a menu option next to the list that allows you to access the same settings. Once you've identified the list you want to manage, the next step is to select Edit. On mobile, it may be represented by a gear icon, which is usually quite intuitive and easy to locate. In the edit settings for that list, you'll need to look for an option labeled Do Not Show in Smart Lists, or something similar. This particular setting is crucial. When it's enabled, any tasks in your chosen list will not appear in Smart Lists, such as the Today view. Now, here's where you can really tailor your experience. If you want tasks from that list to show up in your Today Smart List, you'll need to toggle that setting off. On the other hand, if you decide that you don't want them visible, simply ensure the toggle is on. It's a straightforward toggle that gives you flexibility and control over what you see in your Today view. After making your selection, don't forget to save your changes. It's a tiny step that's easy to overlook but crucial since it ensures that all your adjustments are applied. Once you've saved your settings, it's a good idea to refresh your view on the Today Smart List. This allows you to verify that the tasks you want visible are indeed there, or if you excluded a list, to ensure they're not appearing as expected. This process not only helps in prioritizing tasks, but also declutters your Today view. By knowing what's important and having it front and center, you can manage your day more effectively. Just remember, adjusting your list settings to show under Today is about improving your personal workflow. It's a small change that can make a big impact on your productivity. By following these steps, you can now better customize your task management in Ticktick, making sure that only the essential tasks appear in front of you each day. Happy organizing, and I hope this helps you maximize your efficiency with Ticktick. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.